War used to be loud. It used to be steel, fire, and concrete. But in 2005, a new kind of weapon was forged in the dark. No smoke, no explosions, just code. The target was Iran's underground uranium enrichment facility at Natanz. The mission? Physically sabotage their nuclear program without ever pulling a trigger and without triggering a single alarm. It's believed it was a joint U.S.-Israeli operation. Its name? Stuxnet. Phase 1. Planning. You can't attack what you can't see. For 4 years, intelligence agencies mapped Iran's underground Natanz facility by combining signals intelligence, satellite imagery, human intelligence, and cyber espionage. Using these methods, they uncovered construction data, facility depth, and interior layouts.
Data profile complete. We have the internal network layout. We know their suppliers. Now, build the replica.
They didn't just guess. They built an identical testing facility. They bought the exact same industrial equipment Iran used, and they tested their virus on real hardware until they knew precisely how to break it. To blend in, the hackers registered 2 harmless-looking websites, mypremierfootball.com and todaysfootball.com. To any network admin, it looked like engineers checking scores. But these were command and control servers designed to quietly receive data. But there was a massive problem. The Natanz nuclear facility was air-gapped, completely disconnected from the internet. You couldn't email a virus to it. You had to walk it in. The weapon utilized an unprecedented 4 zero-day vulnerabilities, flaws in Windows that the world didn't even know existed. To bypass internal security firewalls, the virus used stolen cryptographic certificates from legitimate tech companies like Realtek. To the operating system, the virus looked like completely trustworthy, verified software.
Target acquired. We're inside the PLCs.
Pressure is stable. Rotors are perfectly balanced. Keep the feed running.
This was the ultimate deception. Stuxnet deployed a rootkit that fed a 30-second loop of normal, stable data back to scientists' monitors. While the screens showed peace, the virus was commanding the frequency converters to spin the centrifuges at dangerous, unstable speeds, then breaking them to a crawl. The aluminum rotors began to warp, bend, and tear themselves apart. In early 2010, the attackers updated the code to make it spread more aggressively. But a weapon that aggressive couldn't be contained. It escaped Natanz on a contractor's laptop, jumping onto the global open internet. By the summer of 2010, the secret was out. Security firms discovered the worm. The world realized that someone had created a digital missile. Stuxnet successfully destroyed roughly 1,000 of Iran's centrifuges, setting their nuclear program back by years without a single casualty. But the genie was out of the bottle. Pandora's box was open. Stuxnet proved to every nation on Earth that a string of ones and zeros could cause physical destruction. The era of cyber warfare had truly arrived. Stuxnet didn't just break hardware at Natanz. It fundamentally shattered the rules of global geopolitics. By crossing the invisible line from cyber espionage to physical sabotage, this operation catalyzed a dangerous third age of cyber warfare with profound and lasting political consequences. It legitimized cyber-physical warfare. Stuxnet proved to the world that lines of code could cause catastrophic damage to critical infrastructure. It shifted the threshold of conflicts, showing the world that hackers could use exploits as weapon, sabotaging physical facilities without firing a single missile.